Fixing paper feed issues in the HP LaserJet M109 through M112 Standard and E models, and HP LaserJet MFP M139 through M142 Standard and E model printers. If you're experiencing an issue where your printer will not feed paper, a paper jam error message appears on HP Smart, or the attention light is blinking on the printer, you may be experiencing paper feed issues. Depending on your printer model, you may also see ER03 on the printer control panel. Follow these troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. Note: after each step listed, attempt to print a document to see if the issue has been resolved. If it hasn't, proceed to the following step. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and quality paper that meets printer specifications. Remove the paper from the input tray and inspect the stack. Remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn paper in the stack. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the paper tray. Make sure nothing is blocking the paper from going through the rollers. Load the stack of paper into the paper tray and slide the paper width guides until they rest against the edges of the paper. Use toner cleaning mode to clean dust from the paper rollers. Turn on the printer. For HP Smart App users, open the app and then select your printer name or image. Select Printer Settings if necessary, and then select Advanced Settings. Click System, Service. If prompted, enter your username and password. Note: if you have not changed the password, you can find the username and PIN for your printer underneath the toner access door. Locate Fuser Cleaning Mode, select Start, and then select OK. The attention light begins to blink on the printer control panel. On the control panel, press the Resume button. The printer will begin the cleaning process using a single piece of paper to clean the fuser. When the cleaning process is complete, discard the piece of paper used. Clean the dust from the pickup rollers inside the printer. To clean the rollers, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Turn the printer on. Then, with the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer, and then unplug the cord from the power source. Open the toner access door and remove the toner cartridge. Then, locate the pickup rollers. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled water, and then squeeze any excess water from the cloth. Gently clean each roller with the damp cloth. After cleaning, allow the rollers to dry completely. This process will take approximately 10 minutes. Reinstall the cartridge by aligning it with the tracks inside the printer. Be sure to push it in until it's firmly in place. Then close the toner access door. Reconnect the power cord and turn on the printer. If the issue continues, service the printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.